guys, hopefully you can hear me. So about not even a tenth of a mile up the road, we picked up this John Deere 4555 with one spare tire. I think it's hilarious, but how we did it was one chain, two binders in the back. I added the cargo strap because these roofs were about 10 wide. Exhaust cover, and then we did two chains and two binders. I thought they were gonna touch, but as you can see, they're not. So I have that on there. I'm not taking it off. Just take it off. It's not gonna go anywhere. Right now in Iowa, I don't need strobes, so I'm not worried about strobes. But for those who are gonna try to say that I'm not oversized, yeah, there we go. We are legal height though. We're at 13.5.5. So this beauty is gonna go to a farmer in Colorado. It is actually a super nice 4555. So we're gonna make our way. We're probably gonna stay at the Iowa 80 for the weekend. I was gonna go up to our yard, but my annual for Minnesota actually expired a few days ago, so I can't do that. So put the damper in the plans on that, but we are going to pick up a skid steer in Dubuque on Monday morning. We were supposed to pick that up before this, however, I was like the fourth truck in line, and they got unloaded with chassis, so it kind of held me up. And then when I could leave, there were two trains that blocked the whole the road that I needed to be on for about I don't know, a good 45 minutes or so, and it was going to cut close anyways with me getting there. So they just moved my appointment for Monday, which is, I guess, fine. It is what it is. But they're both going to go to this is going to Lamar, or the tractor's going to Lamar. The skid steer will go to Commerce City. So I want to get going here and at least get to Iowa 80. I'll probably stop at the Pilot there first, take a shower for free, and we'll probably stay at Iowa 80, and then Monday morning I'll run up to Dubuque. Alrighty, good morning. We are here in Dubuque now. It was super foggy this morning. Went by a pretty bad accident. This part is always fun. I can't fit in there like these guys can, so I have to go up and around. But I might have to come in backwards since I'm oversized right now. So I can't even get in there. So I'll have to talk to him and see what do I got to do. This could get interesting, but I'll catch up with you guys here when we go to load and to secure everything. All right, y'all. So now we got our full flags, spare tire, one strap, one chain, two binders, flags, cargo net on the cab, exhaust cover. Two chains, two binders, one chain, two binders, one chain, two binders. I don't gotta put anything over this bucket because it's connected to the arm, which is also the anchor point. Strobe, flags, banner. We're gonna drop off Commerce City first and then make our way to Lamar. Alrighty guys, we're here in Colorado. We stopped at the rest areas so I could use the facilities. And then we're about, I don't know, an hour or so away. We're on the 76. And then I'll probably get the first one off. I should be able to get both off. And then he just gave me a reload. Looks like it's going to Pennsylvania. So just double checking all my stuff, making sure everything is good to go still. Looks like it. I've actually never stopped at this rest area before. Yeah, we're making decent time today, so everything looks good. So I am going to continue on, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
We are on the 70 eastbound. We're going to hit the 287 or the US 40. We're going to head south to Lamar, Colorado. And I didn't think I was going to get both off today. But it looks like I might be able to. Well, I will be able to. I just won't be able to go anywhere. So, but I'll be empty for tomorrow. I do have a load. It picks up Thursday. We're going to try to get it to switch so I can pick up tomorrow. We'll see what happens. That falls on me though. I normally communicate pretty dang well. I didn't let them know though that I could get that I could get both off today. So he is expecting them to get off tomorrow. But it is what it is. Yeah, we'll get this off today, and then we'll see what happens. But it's beautiful right now. It's 89 degrees, sunshine, got some clouds in the sky. But I'll be picking up some crane parts going to Pennsylvania, aka like a counterweight, and then I think it's a one of the booms. So should be an easy day. Honestly, I haven't gone this way on the 70 in a very long time, worked out perfectly in Commerce City. One of our other drivers was there. He was delivering, I want to say it was a generator, and then it looked kind of like a pump of some sort, but I don't really know. But he was unloading when I got there, so I got all my chains off. That way, as soon as I could back up to the dock, when he was done, I could unload and try to get this one off, which is why I didn't film much. Hopefully I can get some video of me unloading this tractor. I believe I'll have to use my ramps. I'm not entirely certain though. So. But it's not a big deal. I should technically only have to use one part of it, so but we'll see. But other than that, nothing really happened on this load. You know, nothing really exciting. Yeah, I'll catch you guys closer to delivery. All right, guys, we are almost there. It's about 4 miles of dirt road, nothing but pasture and cattle. But a little washout area. Not really good directions through here, so hopefully I'm going to the right spot. But
I'm gonna continue on this dirt road for another about mile, and then I'll get with you guys for delivery.